Ta-da! Chillin'. What's up, Ella? What are you doing, Ella?
Got my gangster lean.
Booty bite. It's so funny. So proprietary.
Like she's already got it down.
I know. Ta-da! Sophia's wondering if something's wrong. You're fine, baby. You're doing good.
You're doing good.
The first event had your granddaughter.
Oh,
That's your granddaughter.
that's interesting.
So we call you Grandma Sophia. So. I don't know if your sister likes that, being rolled up in a sofa.
Nope.
Alright, this is where we stop the video.